Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday, November 1st. I hope you like that little intro with all the packages. I want to get into unboxing these now. I'm so excited about all of these. We are about to transform our entire booth at the vendor boutique that we're in into Christmas. It is my absolute favorite holiday to transform because I decorate, I go all out. It's amazing. I love doing it all the time. I have so much Christmas left over from last year. I'm ordering a lot of Christmas. I have Christmas stuff I need to embroider. My mom has Christmas stuff she needs to sublimate. Let's get into unpacking these boxes. I'm super excited about this box. As you can see, I have a little T-Swifty going on. I think I'm gonna have a little section for Christmas of the showgirl items. So I found some stuff that I just showed y'all, which was the clips, and then this box has a ton more stuff in it for that little section that I want to do. I'm super excited about this. I do order a lot of my stuff off Fair, and then I have a couple other places that I order from. You can tell the box is a little tore up, so I hope there's no damage to the items in there. The box is like bad tore up. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna open one of these. I got like some ornaments. This is a little guitar with the Merry Era friendship little bracelet. So cute. That is one of the ornaments that we got. And we have, I think, 6 of those or 4 of those. Let's see. We got some playing cards, but they're like the Eras Tour theme. I thought those were really cute. That would be cute stocking stuffers for girls. So I got that. Our Christmas collection on our website is Candy Cane and Tinsel Lane. So they had these adorable candy canes that are little ornaments and they're disco balls. I think it would go great with the little Eras Tour Showgirl collection. So I got these to sell. Our ornaments from last year didn't do too well. I don't even know if I sold one. So my plan is to have like a sign in my booth saying that the ornaments are for sale this year, and maybe we can sell some because I had bows last year. Our thing last year was bows, so I had bow ornaments, and then I had best friend ornaments, which I thought were really cute for little girls. So I need to kind of display them a little bit better this time, this go around, just to see maybe if we can sell them. Okay, so oh, these are little jewels for the face. It's perfect for holiday parties, school parties, all that. I think, I don't know how it's in here. Okay, we also got some little nail art. This is for the Eras Tour. It kind of goes with that vibe. So these I thought were perfect for this. And then we got some little Christmas ones, and literally all you do is you paint your nails, you put the stickers on, and then you do a clear coat and you have decorated nails. I think that's perfect for kids. So that's another fun item we got. And then these were ornaments. Oh, that one's cracked. Maybe not. Okay, these are ornaments for some of the songs from the Eras Tour. So we got a bunch of boxes of these. And they're really cute. They have like the little emblem that goes with it. I think she has certain little signs that go with some of the songs and colors and this and that. So these are really cute, go with this vibe. I also have an embroidery shirt that I did. I'm also going to throw in either a sweatshirt that's in my showgirl era, or I'm going to get my mom to make a t-shirt graphic tee type deal that can go with this whole collection. So super excited about these and happy about this stuff. I'm going to keep this box for now, so I'm going to kind of doctor it up so I can keep it and it's not tore. I know I have a lot more stuff coming in, and I know I'm going to need boxes to put it in. Next is this box. It was open on the bottom side. Again, I hope nothing's damaged. I wanted to purchase these last year, but I was not ready to spend that type of money. We were just starting to get into buying clothes, other pieces of clothes, not just like the embroidery and the sublimation, other pieces of clothes like shorts and just stuff for summer. So I just wasn't ready to buy these, and I wasn't sure if they were going to sell. But now that I am doing the smocked items and I have people looking for family Christmas outfits, I thought these would be perfect. It's a little red velvet dress. It's absolutely adorable. I think it will go with some of our smocked items, and families can imagine these for Christmas. I might even keep some for my kids. I'm not sure what we're going to do for our Christmas card yet. But yeah, so I got red. I got this pink one for my daughter. They didn't have a full set of pink, and I really like the pink color. It's like a mauvey pink, but they had her size in like a 4-5. So I got her size in that, and then I got this hunter green color. So I think that'll be adorable in our new little section. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to go soon. I just got notification. My mom let me know that my son drank both of his bottles that he has. So that means mom's gonna have to go get him the next 2 hours, or he's gonna be a hungry little boy. I'm so excited about these. I've had a lot of interest in my smock clothes since we've had them in the store for Halloween and fall. And so I did add some Christmas ones in. They've been selling already, so I went ahead and I bought some more. So I found these. Look how cute with the little Santas, which I think this will go really cute with the little red ruffle velvet dress. So I got these in a bubble or a romper and a dress for little girls. And then I do want to start adding in some little birthday items here and there. I think I have bows or headbands on the way, or maybe I haven't purchased them yet. I need to go check. But here, how cute is this little smock dress with the birthday? I'll take it out. How adorable is the smock dress with the little birthday items on the neck area. I'm super excited about putting these in the booth. I think somebody told me that customers had been asking about little infant items, so I have some stuff in my cart to purchase. I just haven't purchased them yet. Birthday stuff was the second kind of most important thing that I had on my mind to want to purchase. And then of course I saw these, and you know our colors are just all bright and fun. So I had to order these. How cute is this little dress? I'm going to keep one for my daughter because I think she would love this. All of these clothes I'm going to end up bringing to my mom's house so that she can steam them, hang them, and get them ready so that we can tag them. I did go ahead and purchase a bunch of little Santa bows kind of to go with the Santa outfits. We're not making bows this small. We're making kind of the big boutique bows. So I bought these. I also was able to purchase some socks that can go with the smocked outfits as well. Everything, the quantity, the quality, just to make sure that everything matches what I ordered. So I keep those, and I'm gonna give that to my mom as well. Okay, these are some shirts for one of my wholesale orders that has to go out the week after this one. The one that I'm currently doing. This is just half of it. I have to order the other half. And then a blue shirt for a sample order that somebody wanted. So I'm gonna put these on my table for my wholesale.
She's so cute.
Okay, I ordered these sweatshirts. This one's kind of open. They're like super compressed in here. I've already ordered some of these and I sold out of them already. They are the high neck, we call it the mock neck sweatshirt. They're super nice. They take a good bit of time to get here, but it's okay. So what I'm putting on them is mascot transfers, and they're big. So I kind of try to go across the whole chest, as big as tall as I can get it. But you can see that's like the mock neck part of it. Has a little slit right here. I can post a picture here. They're super cute. They're popular right now. If you're interested, I would definitely look into getting some of these and embroidering on them. I got white for one school, and then I ordered tan to go with Christmas. I have like a plaid, classic plaid, very pretty transfer coming for my tan ones. And then I have a whole nother box down here of nothing but gray. The gray ones are the ones that we sold out of immediately. So I wanted to go ahead and restock those, and then I am not going to actually put anything on them. They are made to order. So if I don't sell anything, because football is coming to an end soon, if I don't sell anything football, game day related, mascot related, I plan to put something Christmas on it and turn it into Christmas, or even use it for Mardi Gras and Valentine's Day, because it will still be kind of colder in those months. But yeah, that's all I have today. I had stuff that I had already filmed a couple weeks ago that I will put into this video. So that is all of the unboxing that I have for now. I do have more stuff coming in. I will try to film that as much as I can. I'm going to keep on trucking on these wholesale orders. Like I said in my last video, there's 24 shirts of these. I'm almost done with the smalls, and then obviously I'll get through the mediums, larges, and extra larges this week. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.